Okay, so sorry for the really lame and boring intro, but what I wanted to tell you is that I was making this video while I was at lunch today in school, which is the reason why I'm saying hi and welcome. I can't turn on my audio because I was in the cafeteria and I can't make videos at school with audio because if I did, the school would, I would be in a lot of trouble. So, which is the reason why I'm putting voiceover right now. So, you could, sorry, I'm just trying to think of what to say. So you can understand what I was going to say if I was not in the lunchroom. But I didn't make a video for a while, so I just felt like making this while I was in the lunchroom. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make an iron golem with redstone. Now, I was thinking about this at lunch. I was like listening to music, then I started thinking about making an iron golem with redstone, so I just exited out of Spotify and went to Minecraft and started making a video. So we're just going to place a piece of wood right there, and we're going to place a piece of iron right there. We're going to place a piston 2 blocks behind that. So when the piston, we're going to place a sticky piston because it's what I'm going to do is place that sticky piston. Okay, never mind, not 2 blocks behind, 1 block behind. And what it will do is when we activate it, it will push this forward, which will then put in the first step of making an iron golem. Now, next, we're going to build another one a block higher, which puts in the second block of the iron golem. So that I'm going to place a sticky piston a block away, 1 block higher, and then I'm going to activate it and pull that iron block back. See? Right there. Now, we are going to head on to the right arm. So we're going to put the iron block. I did this because I didn't know what else to do. So we're going to put the iron block right there. And we're going to put a piston right behind that. So, no, not right. Really? What the frick? Oh yeah, actually no. We are gonna put one right there, 2 blocks away from the wood. So, I was trying to figure out what I was doing. So we're gonna place a piece of wood right here. Then we're gonna place a sticky piston right here and put an iron block right there. I don't know why I did not do that in the first place. So we're gonna build up and we're gonna destroy this iron block right here and place a pumpkin head. Now be sure not to accidentally activate the pistons with the iron blocks on it to make it an iron golem, because we don't want to do that just yet. We want to make it using redstone. So we're gonna place a sticky piston right there, and we're gonna activate it. Wait, what? Why is it not? Okay. Well, let's just destroy these and see if that's what the heck? Okay, we're just gonna go ahead and replace that with just a regular piston. Okay, let's go into here and, well, I was gonna put that extra lever in my inventory. So we're gonna go down to where the redstone is. We're gonna just click a regular piston. And we're just gonna push the pumpkin down. So we're gonna take that pumpkin, okay. What? Okay, so I can't place blocks on pistons. We're just gonna have to build up. And yeah. Okay. There we go. And you guys look, there's a little bunny right there. So we're gonna place redstone right there, and I'm gonna place a lever right there. I'm gonna build this forward until it goes to the piston. Then we're gonna make this, and we're gonna turn it around back here to this piston. We're gonna hook it up with that chain of redstone. We're gonna do the same on the other side, but hold up. Since it is a long trail of redstone, we're going to get a redstone repeater to continue the circuit and continue the redstone signal. Because if you haven't noticed in Minecraft, if you build long redstone trails, it will, hello, little bunny, you're cute, I just need you to get off the little redstone circuit. And if you notice in Minecraft, if you build a long redstone trail, hello, little bunny, if you build a long redstone trail, if it goes too long, it'll stop. Like literally, the signal will not go to the rest of the chain or the redstone chain. So you have to put a repeater. That's what the repeater's for, to continue the signal. So I don't know why I destroyed that. Actually, hello there, little buddy. I'm just gonna put this. Why is that bunny not running away? Usually bunnies run away from me. Like he's just place the redstone on him. So we're just gonna flick that off and place the redstone repeater here to just make it go faster. Sorry if I'm doing that. There's something in my throat. So we're gonna now this is gonna get a little tricky. We'll put the redstone there. Actually no, this isn't tricky. Put the redstone there and make it go towards this chain of redstone. Now take in mind, you guessed it, we're gonna have to place a repeater. So let's place another repeater right here. Now here comes the tricky part. We're going to have to link some redstone up there. Yeah, sounds tricky? It is. So we're going to, what was I doing again? Oh yeah, I was taking the redstone up there. Don't worry, I didn't automatically forget what I was doing. So at this point, I'm thinking of what I'm going to do in order to, what am I doing? What the heck am I doing? Oh, I had a smart idea to put a redstone block there and put it over the piston. So we're gonna go ahead and we're going to build up here. Now this is where it gets tricky. You gotta find a way to, or you can just do exactly what I did. So we're gonna build up here to the piston that is above, I'd say about 6 or 5 blocks in the air. We're gonna continue the redstone trail to the piston that is up there. And, okay, I don't know why I did that. So we're gonna take some redstone, we're gonna place it on this, on the blocks. And then we're going to finish it off by linking it up with the piston. Or putting it on the piston. And I'm glad I was not in survival because I could have taken a lot of damage right here. Now at this point, it was about time for me to head back to class. So I was holding my phone and my lunch. I'm looking around at nothing. I was holding my lunch and the lunch tray they gave me. Or the thing, whatever. I was holding a lunch tray and my phone. So I just threw away my lunch tray and now I'm gonna test it out. And, wait, what? What the heck? It should have worked. I need a repeater. All right, so now we're gonna just place a repeater. I don't know. We're gonna place a repeater right here and, are you serious right now? After all this, the entire lunchtime is spent on doing nothing. Clearly, it doesn't work. I spent the entire, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want more. Leave a like if you enjoyed. And if you thought this was really cool. And I will see you guys in the next video. Blue Creeper is out. See you next video. All right, now we're done.